Hello, welcome to TrueCare DPC. My name is Golfran Rivera. I am the founder of the practice, and I am so excited to have you join us. Now, I know that a lot of people may or may not be familiar with the direct primary care model. So in order to simplify things and help everyone understand, we decided to make a short series of videos explaining the different aspects of membership and what that brings to you. In this video, I want to talk to you about the benefit of having access to routine labs and over 1,000 generic medications as a patient here at TrueCare DPC. One of the things I'm most excited about is the ability to offer routine screening labs for my patients at no additional cost to you. So again, that means that once you've paid your monthly membership, you are entitled to 3 routine lab orders per year. So what exactly does that mean? So the routine lab order consists of a complete blood count, a comprehensive metabolic panel, the HbA1c, a lipid panel looking at your total cholesterol, triglycerides, LDL and HDL cholesterol, TSH and T4, and a urinalysis as well. Now, we order these labs based on multiple different risk factors, including age, gender, past medical history, medication, family history, and that kind of thing. What that means is that some patients don't need that full panel, while others absolutely do. This also means that if you're curious and you do want to have these additional labs included, and even if you don't have a medical need for them, we can go ahead and order them once again at no additional cost. So we offer this benefit 3 times a year as part of routine health screenings. However, sometimes there are lab studies that we need that fall outside of what these studies can offer us. In those instances, we offer 2 options. The first, which is my favorite, is we can offer you steeply discounted cash pricing for labs. Something that many people are curious about is sex hormones. And typically, we can order a full panel of sex hormone studies for $90. This includes your estradiol, progesterone, testosterone, total, and free, and even a detailed layout of what's going on with your thyroid. Now, some of you do have health insurance, and you may want to run that order through your health insurance. I will tell you now what I will tell you in the future and what your primary care manager will also remind you of. We are more than happy to put an order in through your insurance company in the hopes that they will pay for it. Just remember, we do not know if and when the insurance mafia is going to be willing to pay for things. And so we cannot tell you if you're going to have a surprise bill or they're going to be willing to cover those labs. That is the reason why we are happy to offer you a cash quote so that you can plan accordingly. Now, in regards to medication, we have a partnership through Manifest RX, in which our patients have access to their formulary of over 1,000 generic medications spanning every specialty. This includes blood pressure medication, cholesterol medication, diabetic medication, and even some hormone therapy. What this means is that as a member of TrueCare DPC, if you end up needing one of the medications that is on this list, you do not pay anything for that benefit. You do not pay for the shipping. You don't pay for the medication itself. It's all covered in the membership. We are the ones who pay that for you. Now, in order to access this benefit, you do have to set up an account with Manifest through Revive Health. We will be able to provide you the instructions for that. It is important that you follow those instructions and make sure you set up that account so that you can get that benefit. Because it is something that the practice pays for, if members are not enrolling with that benefit, that's something that we'll be removing just so that we can make sure that we keep costs low and so we can extend those savings to you. But again, if that's something you need, please don't forget to ask your PCM for the enrollment instructions. We are more than happy to get those to you so that you can enjoy the no-cost medication conveniently shipped directly to your house for you. Thank you again so much for joining our practice. We are so excited for the privilege of being able to serve you and join you on your health journey.